Hey, what's up guys, TechnoTube here, and I'm back with an insane video. You guys can easily jailbreak iOS 13 to 13.5, no PC, no revokes, and you do not need AllStore or App Valley Companion. So before starting, I just want to say if you're here for the first time, make sure you subscribe, press the bell icon, and be a part of the notification squad. So let's begin. Most of you know about the URL method, but there's some slight change. First of all, you need to go to settings. Now you need to go to Wi-Fi. Here you'll see an I symbol, tap on that. Scroll down till you see configure proxy. Now you need to set it to automatic. Then you would have to enter a URL, http //ffapple.com. Then you need to tap on save. If this URL does not work, then remove one / tap on save and try that one. So here's the thing. If this URL is not there, your tweaked apps would get revoked. That means you'll see an unable to verify pop-up, and even if you try to verify it, it would not verify. For this, there's a fix. Go to settings, tap on the I symbol, and make sure this URL is there. If it is not there, then re-enter it, tap on save. Then to enter that app, your tweaked app, like any app, for example Instagram++, Spotify++, you need to turn on your airplane mode and turn off your Wi-Fi as well as your cellular data. Then go to settings, scroll down till you see Safari. Now you would have to clear history and website data, and then you would be able to open that app up. And one more thing. If you're disconnected to your Wi-Fi, for example, you're not at home or something and you want to enter your app, it would be revoked. For that, you need to follow the same steps. Turn on your airplane mode, go to settings, Safari, clear history and website data, and then you would be able to open that app up. Now our main part is completed. Now to install Uncover, there are many third-party app stores, but I would prefer to go to app.eobHubApp.com. I'll link it down in the description and the comment section down below. app.eobHubApp.com. Now tap on go. Now you should see Uncover right here. If you do not see, tap on this. Scroll down till you see Jailbreak apps. You would see Uncover. Tap on this. Now you'll get an install pop-up. Tap on install. Go back to the home screen. You should see Uncover would start to install. There we go. Now here you'll see loading. As soon as it comes to installing, you need to turn on your airplane mode and turn off your cellular data as well as your Wi-Fi. Let's wait for that. Almost there. Now you'll see installing. Turn off your Wi-Fi as well as your cellular data and turn on your airplane mode. There we go. Uncover has successfully installed. Now when you try to open it up, you'll see an unable to verify pop-up. There we go. Now you need to go to settings, go to general, scroll down till you see profile and device management. Let it load up. There we go. Tap on this, and now you need to tap on trust. Go back. You will be able to open up Uncover. Now you can successfully jailbreak your device. Now guys, listen to me carefully. When you restart your device, then Uncover would get revoked. There are two reasons for that. Number one, you would get disconnected to the Wi-Fi, and number two, you would be in a non-jailbroken state. For that, there's a fix. You need to turn on your airplane mode, turn off your Wi-Fi and mobile data, go to settings, scroll down till you see Safari, clear history and website data, then you would be able to open up your Uncover, and you can then turn on your airplane mode as well as your cellular data, and then you can successfully jailbreak your device. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, drop a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Peace out.